Hello students, today we will study the poem A Photograph by Shirley Tulson. About the poet. Shirley Tulson was a great poetess, journalist, favorite teacher and editor. She was born on 20th May 1924 in England. Her first book was published in 1960. She would participate in social activities also. About the poem. In this poem, the poetess has told us about human life. It is short-lived. Childhood slips into youth. Youth slips into old age. Man becomes sad remembering the memories of the past. Now let us read about the poetess' mother and find 3 stages of life. So let's begin. The cardboard shows me how it was when the 2 girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she the big girl some 12 years or so. All 3 stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. Now let's understand its meaning in Hindi. मैं इस फोटो से जान पाती हूँ कि उस समय कैसा प्रतीत होता था जब 2 चचेरी बहनें मेरी माँ की एक बाह पकड़े हुए पानी में से छपछपाती हुई गा रही थी, तथा माँ वह बड़ी लड़की थी लगभग 12 वर्ष की तथा वे तीनों स्थिर खड़ी हुई, कैमरा लिए खड़े चाचा की ओर देखकर अपने बालों के बीच में से मुस्करा रही थी। मेरी माँ का चेहरा बहुत प्यारा था उस समय जब अभी मेरा जन्म नहीं हुआ था, तथा समुद्र जो लगता है बहुत कम बदला है, उनके अत्यधिक अल्पकालिक पैर धो रहा था। Now let's read the second stanza of the poem, some 20-30 years later. She'd laugh at the snapshot. See Betty and Dolly, she'd say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. Both worry with the labored ease of loss. Now let's see what it's about. लगभग 20-30 वर्ष बाद वह फोटो को देखकर हंसती थी। वह बेटी को कहती थी, देखो, बेटी और डॉली को देखो। देखो हम उन दिनों समुद्र के तट पर छुट्टी मनाने के लिए कैसे कपड़े पहना करते थे। समुद्र के तट पर बिताई छुट्टी उनके अतीत की बात बन गई थी। वह मेरे लिए उनकी हंसी अतीत की बात बन गई तथा इस क्षति पर हम दोनों मुश्किल से सामान्य दिखने का प्रयास करते हैं। Now she's been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. And of this circumstance, there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. अब उस लड़की, यानी मेरी माँ की मृत्यु हुए लगभग उतने ही वर्ष व्यतीत हो गए हैं, जितने वर्ष वह उस फोटो में दिख रही थी, यानी 12 वर्ष। तथा इस घटना के विषय में मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती। इसकी चुप्पी ही मुझे चुप कर देती है।
Now let's see the question and answers. Question. 1. What does the word cardboard denote in the poem? Why has this word been used? Answer. In the poem, the word cardboard denotes a framed picture in a hard paper sheet hung anywhere on the wall. This word is used to indicate the picture of the mother with her 2 cousins standing at sea beach. Question. 2. What has the camera captured? Answer. 2. The camera has captured a picture of the mother with her 2 girl cousins. Actually, that picture was taken by mother's uncle at the sea beach, which expresses their happiness through their smiling, cheering faces. Question. 3. What has not changed over the years? Does this suggest something to you? Answer. 3. The sea has not changed over the years. Actually, the sea is a natural thing and unchangeable. As the time passes, all the things other than nature change. All things are affected by the time, but the nature and its objects are long-lasting and immortal. Question. 4. The poetess's mother laughed at the snapshot. What did this laugh indicate? Answer. 4. The poetess's mother laughed at the snapshot as she was a young girl of 12 those days, and with her 2 young girl cousins, she was there to enjoy the sea holiday. After the time passed, mother laughed at that old photograph, remembering their pastime.
Question 5. What is the meaning of the line, both worry with the labored ease of loss? Answer 5. The line, both worry with the labored ease of loss, means that those both mother and the daughter were bearing the loss. though they were finding difficulty in bearing their separate loss but hardly trying to be comfortable. Both tried to recover by their own means. Question. 6. What does this circumstance refer to? Answer 6. This circumstance refers to the environment of loneliness. The poetess was traveling in the old memories, seeing the old photograph of her mother, and her mother is no more today. So that was the situation where the poet was surrounded by the silence, therefore she too was silent and did not want to utter anything. Question. 7. The three stanzas depict three different phases. What are they? Answer 7. The three stanzas depicting three phases. 1. When poetess's mother was a young girl. 2. When poetess's was a young girl. 3. When poetess's mother was no more. Question. 8. What does all three use for? Answer 8. It is used all three for the poet's mother and her two girl cousins. Question 9. How does the poet describe the mother's face? Answer 9. She describes it as a sweet face. Question 10. When did the poet's mother have a sweet face? Answer 10. She had a sweet face before the poet was born. Question 11. Where did the poet's mother enjoy her holiday? Answer 11. She enjoyed her holiday on the sea beach.
Question 12. What was the past for poet's mother? Answer 12. When the poet's mother, 12 years old girl, went to the beach to enjoy holiday. This is past for her. Question 13. Why would the poet's mother laugh? Answer 13. She would laugh to see her own photographs. Question 14. Who were Betty and Dolly? Answer 14. Betty and Dolly were cousins of the poet's mother. The central idea of the poem, A Photograph, by Shirley Tulson is the fragility of human life and the power of memories. The poem explores the themes of mortality, memory, and the passing of time, highlighting the transient nature of human life and the enduring power of memories. Through the lens of a childhood photograph, the poet reflects on the different stages of life, the inevitability of loss, and the emotional resonance of memories. This is a detailed analysis of the poem, A Photograph, by Shirley Tulson. The poem explores the themes of mortality, memory, and the passing of time through the lens of a childhood photograph. The poem is divided into three stanzas, each depicting a different phase. 1. The first stanza describes the scene captured in the photograph, where the poet's mother is a young girl with her cousins at the beach. 2. The second stanza shifts to the poet's mother looking at the photograph as an adult, reminiscing about the past and sharing memories with her daughter. 3. The third stanza reflects on the poet's current reality, where her mother has passed away, and the silence that follows is overwhelming. The poem beautifully captures the bittersweet nature of memories and the inevitability of loss. The questions and answers provided offer valuable insights into the poem's meaning, themes, and imagery. Some key points from the analysis include the use of the word cardboard to refer to the framed photograph, highlighting its static nature. The contrast between the transient nature of human life and the timelessness of the sea. The poet's exploration of the different stages of life and the passing of time. The emotional resonance of the poem, particularly in the third stanza, where the poet grapples with the loss of her mother. Overall, this analysis provides a comprehensive understanding of the poem's themes, imagery, and emotional depth.